the request lifecycle. So let's take a look at how this begins. When you ask for information from a website, you're actually doing a lot more than that. When you ask, let's say my website, caleb.io, for information, there's a domain mapping behind it. So caleb.io actually points to an IP address, and that IP address connects to my server. So you're not actually requesting information directly from caleb.io. It's just sort of masking it so that you don't have to remember IP addresses. And then how it ends, the server is going to accept my request or your request. It's going to understand what it's supposed to output and sends files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, all that other stuff that makes your website look good in this thing called a response. Lastly, the browser downloads these files and saves them onto your computer. And if it has to download it more than once, sometimes it'll just use the old files, and that's called a cache. It's going to then piece all these files together and render your content.